This has been our first run through with the co-op program with Patrick Henry Community College, and so far we're extremely enthusiastic. The idea was to try to see if we could find some good employees and see if we could help, and it's turned out to have more benefits than that. We're pleased to be working with the students we are. I'm even more pleased at the effect that it's had on our floor.
From day one, from the interview on, I see nothing but enthusiasm and the willing to learn.
They come in the door ready to work. They're certainly on the welding side of it. They're more than up to speed. They have a lot to learn on the fabricating, but that is to be expected because they took welding. So the fabrication is something you learn with time.
They get them some stuff under the belt that most people that just comes right out of the welding class don't ever have, you know, and then they start off, you know, they sort of know what to expect when they get into the real world out here, and, you know, it's a little different from being in class, you know.
One of the things that they learn from that is they learn people skills. They have to learn to work with other people, get along. They have to learn to do things that otherwise they wouldn't want to do.
And just very recently we've hired the first 4. Offered all 4 of them full-time positions. They all 4 accepted, and we're thrilled about that, and it's going well, and we're looking forward to the program continuing and maybe even expanding.
I feel really fortunate to have the opportunity to come in here and just learn from everybody that's been here a long time. You know, you owe it to yourself to, you know, come in here and get as much knowledge as you can. You're not going to learn this stuff anywhere but to do it.
Everybody's been nice. If you need help, they're right there at you. I mean, real nice people. Everybody gets along good here.
It's a good experience. It's fun. You get to meet a lot of people. You learn a bunch.
It's going to help me a lot in my next experience between if I stay here, if I move on to a different company. I think the experience here will help me the rest of my life.
I don't think there's another floor out there that will stand up to the caliber of these 4 young men. But we're going to find out. They have raised the bar on my expectations of Patrick Henry.
There's a lot of good people just looking for opportunities, and I think this type of program kind of helps build the community back.
I'm just excited to work here.